Well, we're getting ready for a hotter stretch of weather here as we do stay dry all day, but storms will come in along a cold front as soon as tonight. And if you want more active weather in the forecast, we do have it. We could use more rain, and there are more chances later in your work week. Rest of today, though, looking pretty hot. Maybe you don't want to jump in the pool, beat the heat that way. Highs approaching 90 as we end the day with a light wind out of the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Sunblock and shades certainly needed today, of course. Keep the water bottles ready so you stay hydrated. Light colored and loose fitting clothing, a good idea. Taking breaks in the AC if you're doing work outside. And checking the cars you get out. Make sure everyone's exiting with you. Here's how it looks on clouds and radar. We're looking northward for our incoming weather, and you can see a cold front bringing in some showers and storms into northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin. That'll regenerate later this afternoon and evening as it moves into our area, giving us a limited severe weather threat. A lower level 1 risk for severe weather, that marginal threat along the US 151 corridor from Platteville to Madison to Beaver Dam. Farther north, though, Portage into the Dells and farther points northward of there have a higher level 2 risk for severe weather. The threats are the same with a gusty wind and hail potential. So that first line fizzling out later this morning near Wausau and Eau Claire, regenerating as that main cold front approaches the region. So around 4 to 7 this afternoon and evening, I expect those storms to develop from Rhinelander to Ladysmith to Eau Claire and back towards the Twin Cities. Those should reach our viewing area like the Dells, Camp Douglas, back towards La Crosse by around 10 to midnight at the earliest. Since that's pretty late at night already, there is going to be a weakening trend as these move south, maybe a fizzling trend too. So I think areas to the southeast, like along I-43, Janesville, out towards Lake Geneva, limited chance for a couple showers, but nothing too significant as that line really loses its punch as it makes its way towards the state line. Other than that, should be mainly dry later on your Tuesday. So how much rain? I'll let the clock run here, and you can see about a few hundredths of an inch to the southeast, maybe a quarter to a half inch, as that line will be a little heftier as it initially moves in as we head towards early tonight. More storm chances in the forecast. We'll have late tonight into daybreak tomorrow, some to track. A better chance through Wednesday, I think, and then a few more to track for Thursday and Friday potentially. We get more humid later in the week as well. The reason why there is going to be a weakening trend is we're so dry today and tomorrow. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we do get muggier. More moisture in the air allows more storm growth, hopefully, for us, which gives us those additional chances in the forecast. So today, dry, hotter, 90. Tonight, 65 with scattered showers and storms possible. Best coverage likely going to be north of Madison into central Wisconsin. Low 80s tomorrow with an isolated shower potential in the morning. Otherwise, drier the rest of your Tuesday and milder. Temps on Wednesday, mid-upper 70s with a decent chance for storms for our midweek. Isolated potential on Thursday, maybe a few more possible on Friday, and then mainly dry heading through the weekend and getting cooler as well. So today's weather is certainly the hottest of that 7-day forecast.